Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, August 1st. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had two opportunities in gold. We had one in the crude, and then we had another one in the ES. We had another one in the ES here, but we got out of it because we're seeing some potential issues, so nobody made any money on that one. And I'm going to run through what we did today. First one in the gold, we had a long. This one was going into the news. I told everybody 1356.6, and because it was the news, I told everybody that we wanted to make sure we take 6 or 7 ticks, and have everything set up because we might get a bump and it might either keep going. But in order for it to keep going any further, I said that it had to get to 57.7. Okay, you'll see here it never got to 57.7, but we were able to get the 6 or 7 ticks. Now, anybody who tried to go for a break even would have had a break even on that, meaning they took 7, they went -7 on their stop. Anybody who just had one contract or just took everything off there, or most off, made up to 7 ticks, and that was it on that trade. When the market came down, bounced around there, came back up, we hit it again. Basically said it was the same deal. We did hit it this time a little bit, one tick lower, 1356.5, and that was at the 10 o'clock. Just before 10 o'clock, and again, you can see we easily made very little heat, and we made up to 20 ticks on that one. Some people could have made more if they had more contracts because it never came down to our entry, but for most people, 15 to 20 on that one. I did make a little bit more before the room closed up here, but that was a nice little trade. And then in crude, we had a power play. Power play was short at 40.90, and that one made up to 20 ticks to the target, which was hit right over here. And then after 20 ticks, we went to entry with our stop. That's at least what we recommend. Some people, didn't do that and still gave it room, but if you went to entry, you got taken out at entry here, and then it did go a little bit lower. So it's possible somebody got lower if they gave it a little more room, depending on how many contracts they had, but up to 15 to 20 there. And then in the ES, our trade of the day was a short, and on that, we got short at 65.50, and we took that down, and that one went down for about up to 5 points. I did have a target at 3.5 points, and then 4.5 points, and then it went down a little bit further than that. So up to 5 points, 4.5 to the target, and and that was all we did. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you back tomorrow.